draw a big R. And then you color this yellow, and then you make that, and then you do that black.
So today we're going to make a robin sweatshirt. I'm using a piece of paper. Going to be using some fabric paint, so I don't want the fabric paint to transfer onto the other side of the shirt. So I'm going to start by making a circle. Doesn't have to be perfect. We're just going to do our best to make the circle, make sure that the paper is aligned. It also helps if the paper is directly under my way of drawing, so that you can kind of have somewhere to press on. So we're gonna continue making the circle, just shade it, do the best you can. We're gonna shade everything in. We're gonna make 3 lines, almost like where the stitching for robin is. Inside of the circle, we're gonna try to draw the R. It's okay if you're not good at this. I wasn't good at this, and I was pretty amazed at how well it came out. So we're gonna be taking the fabric paint. Once we've done tracing, we're gonna just outline everything that we did with the black fabric paint. It might be better if you're like me and a lefty to start on the R and then move over to the other side of the sweatshirt. I kind of got some paint on my arm. So what I'm doing here is just tracing the R basically. So the R is going to be yellow, and I'm just shading the outside of the circle first. So just take your time with this. I found using fabric paint on a sweatshirt without a stencil was very difficult. It was my first time painting with fabric paint. Yeah, but it was fun, and I really liked how the end results came out. I probably would do this again. So here we are with the yellow. This yellow is so vibrant against this red. And at this point, I figured out that just the nozzle of this paint was not going to be sufficient. So I just kind of used the back of my pencil. Yeah, eventually I went and got one of my old makeup brushes and just used it in like a dabbing circular motion, just to kind of get it, I don't know, smooth. Just continue outlining everything that you've outlined in black, with yellow obviously, and just kind of take your time and have fun. It's a DIY. This was for a Halloween costume, so I don't know, I really wasn't trying to make it stressful, and it was really a lot of fun, and the end results came out really, really nice. Yeah, I had my daughter help me here. She also had a lot of fun, painting the shirt for her sister. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're trying to upload a little bit more, so like this video so that we know. Subscribe to our channel if you want to see more of our videos, and thank you so much for watching.